my project, I study the sound a drop makes when it impacts a liquid pool. And that's important when measuring how much it rains at sea. At sea, you can't use a conventional rain gauge. So you put a hydrophone under the water surface and then you listen to the sound a drop makes when it impacts a liquid pool. And it's extremely important to know how much it rains at sea because that's one of the most important factors in both weather models, which we use for weather forecasting, and climate models. But the current acoustic models, they have one big issue. They don't consider what is known as secondary sounds. And that's the aim of my project, to incorporate these secondary sounds into the current models for rainfall measurements at sea. And I've done that through an analysis of the splash of a drop.